A leading British immunologist told Xinhua that scientists across Europe feel politicians have headed in a separate direction in the quest to defeat COVID-19. Professor Danny Altman, from the Faculty of Medicine in the Department of Immunology and Inflammation at Imperial College, said, "The interface between science, data, and policy has become strained." The weekly infection survey, published on Friday by the Office for National Statistics, estimated that 4.88 million people in Britain had the coronavirus in the week ending April 2. According to the British government's plan, Living with COVID-19, from the start of April, all COVID-19 restrictions have been lifted in England, with people advised to take precautions in crowded spaces. Free lateral flow testing also came to an end on April 1. Altman said with current levels of COVID-19 infection and with high levels of sick leave among health staff, the situation in National Health Service hospitals is unworkable. On the question that many people, including politicians, view the current wave of coronavirus as no more than a flu-like illness, Altman told Xinhua, "The debate needs to move along. Yet it's still untenable to have a rampant virus that infects over and over, putting 1 in 10 out of school or work, and perhaps leaving a UK excess death toll of 50,000 per year."